Okay, so now, did you have any setbacks, any difficulties that you had to overcome in the past year? Some ups and downs from like the transformation, some lulls, some, grinding it out moments, questioning things.
Yeah, I would say the first like 3 months of all of this was like the hardest just because I just felt like again, like I didn't really know much of what I was doing. I was trying, or at least I felt like I was trying. And then when I wasn't seeing any results, it was just like, dude, for what? Like, why am I doing all of this if I'm not even like seeing or noticing anything? And so, like, that was like one thing I struggled with was just to like keep pushing, because like eventually it will start. And like, again, how you always say, when someone who sees themselves every single day isn't going to notice change as much as someone who sees you once a month. So that was like one of
Yeah.
my biggest. And then I like, of course, just had some like
Oop, there goes the can. It's windy in Miami sometimes, right?
I of course had some like family stuff that happened. But I'm like very thankful, and like the only way I can be, that I like did start this journey a little bit before all of that happened, because it like was a great outlet for me to like stay like mentally strong and like feel okay. Like I feel like if I wouldn't have started making all of these changes and the stuff that happened to me happened, I could have been 40% body fat and like miserable and depressed and like going nowhere in life. So I don't know. I think that that's another huge thing about all of this and feeling good and like getting yourself together, is that when you are going through like really hard times, you can turn to stuff like this, and you can get through it.
Yeah. I learned a lesson a long time ago. I don't even know how, but a lot of times when people are going through rough times, maybe they go out, they party. We live in Miami, so it's super easy to get into sort of the party scene. You're going through a rough time, a member of the family passes away or something happens career-wise, and it's really easy to get distracted and rolled into the, sort of nightlife in Miami. And that's just one of the things that I learned a long time ago was, those are the times to be introspective, stay away from that. You want to be as focused mentally as you go through difficult times. And the one thing we have is our health. So if we can stay healthy and stay focused on that, and it's a good sort of stress reliever, that it's just super, super critical in terms of helping us overcome the rough spots in life versus, like you said, people could go out too much. They could start to eat more. They could throw on weight, sit on the couch. And so, I just think that it's always to try to work out, stay healthy, and keep something good. Because even when bad things are happening, at least staying physically fit and healthy and trying to, stay good is something that could be like a positive influence of life.
Yeah. And like, it just, I don't know, something about being healthy just puts a lot of things into perspective of like how much you do have to be grateful for and like thankful for. So
look at this beautiful, we have fortunate to live in Miami and have beautiful weather, and there's a lot to be thankful for.
Yeah. And I don't know, I just feel like when you're healthy overall, mental, physically, whatever, you just tend to like appreciate things more and like take the time to like practice like gratitude and stuff, because again, like you just have like mental clarity and you feel so much better, and you're able to like be a lot happier with life and what all it has to offer.
Yep.